Hi everyone, welcome back for another sublimation video. In today's video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to sublimate a t-shirt. Okay, let's talk about t-shirts before we get to sublimating. Now, the higher the polyester count, the better. The shirt that I'm using today is 95% polyester. It's a size 4T, so I printed out my image 6 inches by 6 inches. Let me just quickly grab my image from the printer. So this is the image I'm using today. I got this from Design Bundles. Now, instead of cutting around the image with scissors, I'm going to just gently tear around the whole image. That way, when I go ahead and press it on my t-shirt, the press lines won't be as harsh. So I'll go ahead and do that now, and then I'll show you. This is how the image looks now. So next, I'm going to go ahead and preheat my Easy Press to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I'm going to press the t-shirt for 60 seconds. So on my mat, I have a piece of butcher paper, and then I cut a piece of butcher paper to put over my shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and preheat this for 10 seconds. Make sure to cover it. And then you don't want to forget this step, which is lint rolling your t-shirt. And then I just like to fold the shirt in half to find the center. So just lining up the sleeves here. And I'm just going to make a crease. And then now I'm going to fold my image in half. So now I could go ahead and line this line up to the line on the shirt. And then I like to place it about 1 inch down from the neckline. So right about there, and then I'm going to take 4 pieces of heat-resistant tape and tape my image down. I got my image taped down, so next I'm going to take a sheet of butcher paper that's larger than my image and place it in between the shirt to make sure the ink doesn't bleed through. Then I also like to take my ruler and just measure that it's the same on both sides. Looks good. So I'm just going to go ahead and cover this now with a sheet of butcher paper, and then I'm ready to press it. So I'm going to press the shirt with medium pressure for 60 seconds, and that was at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to go ahead and remove this right away. Well, usually it comes off in one piece. And then while the shirt is hot, I'm going to take my lint roller, and this just helps with the press lines. Another thing I like to do while the shirt is still warm is I like to stretch it out like this, and that also helps with the press lines. So this is how the shirt turned out. I think it turned out so cute, and the colors look really vibrant. So thanks so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you soon.